Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Almanac. Can you multiply 22 by 31 in your head? Well, for most people it's a challenging task, but today you will learn a very powerful technique that you can use for two-digit multiplications. And what's more important, this technique will give you freedom to do all the calculations in your head. So, let's start. This is called a Criss-Cross technique. The first step you need to do is to focus on the right-hand column. 2 times 1 gives us 2. That is the rightmost digit of the final answer. Now, in order to get a middle digit, we need to do a criss-cross. Imagine the letter x, which will help you to remember that we multiply diagonally. 2 times 1 gives us 2, whereas 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. So, we'll take the result from this diagonal, which is 2, and add it to the result from that diagonal, which is 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, and here we write the middle digit of the final answer. And for the leftmost digit, you just multiply the leading digits together. 2 times 3 gives us 6, and that is our answer, my dear friend. So, firstly, you multiply the right-hand digits. Secondly, you do a criss-cross for the middle digit, and finally, you just multiply the leading digits. The next example is a little bit challenging, but still you can speed up your arithmetic and multiplication. 16 times 12. All you need to do is to follow the technique that I demonstrated to you. 6 times 2 is 12, and it's a two-digit number. Unfortunately, we can't just write 12 down here, because if you start doing that, you're just going to get the numbers that are too large, and that would be a mistake. You have to do a little bit of carrying here. So, 6 times 2 is 12. We are going to write 2 down here, and the little one up here, or just remember it in our head. Now, we work on the middle number just like before. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we have 8 for our middle digit, but we are not done because we carried to 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9, and we put here 9. Then we work on the leftmost column. 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 192. How about this one? 16 times 20. 6 times 0 is obviously 0. Now we do a criss-cross. 1 times 0 is 0, 6 times 2 is 12. Now you write the 2 down and the 1 you put up here, or we carry it in our head. Next, we work on the leftmost column. 1 times 2 is 2, plus the 1 we carried, which is 3. And the answer is 320. Take a look at this example. 92 times 34. As usual, we start in the right-hand column. 2 times 4 gives us 8. And we do a criss-cross. 9 times 4 is 36. 2 times 3 is 6. 36 plus 6 is 42. But 42 is too big to write. So we write 2 down, and 4 you put up here, or we carry it in our head. Then we do the left column. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 4 gives us 31. So our answer is 3128. Okay, our final problem would be 19 times 54. Do as usual in the right-hand column. 9 times 4 is 36. So you write 6 and 3 you put up here, or we carry it in our head. Next is the criss-cross. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 4 is going to give us 49. So we have 49 from a criss-cross, plus 3 which we carried in our head, resulting in 52. We write here 2 and carry 5. Then we work on the left-hand column. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 5, which is 10. So we finally write here 10. Our answer is 1026. Well, that's a criss-cross method for you. It's not only powerful but also incredibly easy, especially when dealing with smaller numbers as I've just presented. Take several practice sessions and you'll absolutely master this technique. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.